Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Aster token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Aster is a next generation decentralized exchange offering both perpetual and spot trading, designed as a one-stop on-chain venue for global crypto traders. It feature MEV free one-click execution in simple mode. Pre-mode adds 24 by 7 stock perpetuals, hidden orders, and grid trading available across BNB chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum. Its unique edge lies in the ability to offer liquid staking tokens or yield generating stable coins as collateral, unlocking unparalleled capital efficiency. Powered by Aster Chain, a high performance and privacy focused L1, and backed by YZI Labs, Aster is building the future of DeFi, fast flexibility and community first. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Aster token, a core asset that decentralized governance drives growth, rewards participation and support long-term sustainability. Aster token total supply is 8 billion and circulating supply is around 1.65 billion Aster token. Aster token is listed on Bybit, Aster token is listed on Bybit, Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a lazy to good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.